Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be DIYing Trendy bags. Okay, so I have been on Pinterest and trying to look for some Trendy bags that I can do like DIY it. And I came across to the checker bag. Like literally you can do anything with this Trendy right here. But mostly I have been sitting on a crochet bag. And I'm just like, you know what? I could do that. I feel like I could make that, but in my style way, that's how I'm gonna do it. So I pick a color out, I pick the fabric out that I wanna do it, but I'm gonna put it on it. And I really want this bag. But like, you know what? When I spend my money on it, I just go ahead and make it. Like, go ahead and make it for myself on my own, and just DIY it. Do it yourself. So I'm about to show you how I DIY it, and I'm gonna show you how everything into this video, like how the process of it, how I make this purse. And I hope that y'all can do this, save y'all money. Okay? So I'm pretty sure y'all can do this on your own, okay? So yeah, so here's the video right here right now. I got the fabric out what I will be using for this bag, for this purse, and this fabric called Muslin. I would say this fabric is really thick. It was really hard to sew with, but I got a handling of it. But I made a pattern out of a cardboard. As y'all can see, you can make pattern out of paper or cardboard, and it's really helpful. This really helpful to cross over with. So now I will be crossing over the cardboard with the bottom for the bag, and I'll just stop cutting them out. Okay, so I just sewed the one side of the purse. Now I'm going to do another side of the purse to sew. But make sure that y'all pin it together for you don't like mess it up what y'all doing, like where y'all going and stuff. I will do like agree to pin it and then you sew it. Yeah, and make sure that y'all do it inside out. Don't do like the main parts for the purse for everyone could see it. But yeah, make sure that y'all do it inside out. Like don't follow my lead at all. This right here, I legit messed this part up, but came out great. And now I'm making a strip for the purse, you know, the strip to hang over your shoulder or to hold it on your shoulder, you know. But I am pinning it before sewing it. So yeah, that one I am doing it right now. But make sure that y'all flip it over. Okay, so it's already the last day that I am trying to finish this purse. This is how the purse is looking like, which I'm okay with. I'm fine with it. You know, we're gonna add a little design to it, which I can't wait to do. Still got peel here. Oh, anyway, this is how the inside look like. But right now I am doing the zipper. So this is folded, as you can see that I pinned it, and I'm gonna sew it into the zipper right here at this edge right here, and I'm gonna sew it, and it's gonna be looking like this underneath and stuff. I fold it. See how it is? You see how I fold it? And I just pin it together to have a stable. And I'm just gonna like do this. So yeah, I just trying to give y'all a little update what I'm doing right now. Then I'm gonna sew it, and then I'm gonna put it in here. Making the checkers right now on the purse, and I am using the tape. As y'all can see, I have done this before on the other stuff, and I would say it's really helpful, like to make your checkers look so clean and nice. But I would say that y'all will have to redo it again. That's what I had to do. But yeah, this should come out nice. Y'all see. Here is the bag. Here is the final look of the bag. I really like it. Like you can see the zipper. Okay, like I want it. I really like it. I hope that y'all like it too, and I hope that y'all could do this something DIY like this. And look at the stripes. But yeah, I really hope that y'all do this DIY. And if y'all did, make sure that y'all tag me on my Instagram. Just let me know that y'all did a DIY, and it's so easy for y'all to do it. Like, you're just gonna have it in your wardrobe, in your closet, whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it as much as I did. Make sure that y'all follow all of my social medias: Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Snapchat. And it's like follow me and tag me, that y'all let me know that y'all follow me and stuff, you know. And make sure that y'all comment down below on my video, and make sure that y'all like this video a lot. Make sure that y'all share it with your friends and your family. Help me grow. It will be appreciated. I will do. Like, please share. Anyway, but yeah, that's pretty much it, and I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya.